A quick video update of the Jaguar Mk2. Unfortunately, the Jaguar Mk2 is still in the workshop. The paint shop actually rejected it because the bodywork needed more finessing to get it to a point where it can be painted. So it's about 2 weeks delay, but it's now ready, looking good. I'm really happy with it. I've actually learned quite a lot over the last 2 weeks about how to get a really professional finish ready for paint, so it was useful. Now I've got a little bit of time. I've made a start on stripping the engine, so I've just taken the gearbox off and the torque converter. What I'm trying to do as part of this assessment is I believe that the engine has already been rebuilt, and I want to just assess what standard it's been rebuilt to and make sure that I'm happy with it and that it's been done with the correct quality parts, etc. So I've made a start. I'm just going to gradually start stripping down. I'll take the cylinder head off and I'll update with a further video shortly.